headed to the David Kilpatrick Memorial Car Show here in Midwest City. Should be coming right up here. Pretty stuff. Morning.
Morning. How you doing, sir?
Fine, how you doing, man?
Right, thank you.
They shine so good in the morning sun, huh?
Oh yeah. They do. Yes, sir.
What year is this?
74.
74, okay. Cool. It's nice. '84 Chevy. That's pretty nice. Challenger. In 1948. That's nice, man. Good morning. 1939. '40 Ford. Beautiful. Looks like a Dart. Yep. 1974 Dodge Dart Sport. I haven't seen one of these in a while, the Dodge Swinger. Similar to a Dart, looks like, but I think it's more souped up. This is a 73 model Dart, the swinger model. There's the difference right there. 344 barrel. I think I've seen this one before, but it's always nice to see it. '66 Chevy C10. Beautiful on the inside. (2002) GMC. Here's the Mad Dog, square body Mad Dog. Ford Ranger 1976. '66 Chevy C10. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah.
Wow.
They don't work because of the fact that we built speaker boxes back behind the seat, and they ain't got room to move, you know.
Yeah. It's amazing, man. Where did you get it? Did you have it originally?
No, no.
No?
I
You bought
the
it
truck
used?
in Apache, Oklahoma.
Okay.
I found it down there. It was in a
Rough shape, and you fixed it all
in
up?
rough shape, you know, and it was sitting in a place kind of like this right out in here where there was some other old stuff hanging around it. And my brother was working down there in Lawton, and he was working with the guy that owned it. And my brother knew I was looking for an old truck. So he called me, and I drove down there and went and looked at it. And then I went back 2 weeks later and drove it home.
Nice. How many years did it take to fix up?
7.
7? Yeah.
Yeah. It was me and my brother-in-law working on it together. It was actually his truck at that time.
And it's priceless now.
but he was a truck driver. And he'd gone all the time.
Yeah.
And I owned a transmission shop over here in Midwest City for 30 years. And so we did all the chassis work there in my shop. And then I found a guy to do the body work and everything for me. But anyway, Jimmy paid for it at that time.
Yeah.
And it took, at the time we built it, it was 7 years and $27,000.
Yeah. Yeah,
Now
but that's
then
like
it would-
triple that, huh?
Now then it would be close to 100.
Yeah,
You know,
more than,
80,000.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
you know,
that's
to
a
build
good
it.
deal, man. That's good for having the insight
but
to buy
anyway, he
that.
died,
Yeah.
and his kids didn't want it. So I said, I want it back.
Really?
Because all the hours that I spent on it. So anyway, they made me a deal, and I got it back off of them.
Yeah. That's nice, man.
But I got a lot of man hours in this thing that, you know, that was all free work back then.
Yeah, yeah.
Because he was my brother-in-law.
I know a guy in Chickasha that rebuilt a 74 C10, and it's the same color and everything. And it's pretty too. He's just now getting to, finishing up the wiring and stuff.
Yeah.
Everything else is done, man. Yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah, we put an El Camino bumper on the back of it.
Name of it too, Lucille. Lucille.
But we had to cut that bumper. Had to cut about 8 or 9 inches out of the middle of it, weld it back together, and then I sent it to Dallas.
Did you keep the original lights just in case? Did you keep the original round lights?
Yeah. I don't even. They're gone now. I don't know where they're at.
You probably got a big box full of all kind of stuff just for this thing. The back is beautiful too. Look at that. God.
That's a nice truck right there, boy.
Yeah.
Nice truck is.
I think to get out.
I just have fun like talking to you.
Yeah.
You know.
I can't wait till that Choctaw, the Choctaw one, Choctaw Park, that show. Are you going to go to that one? Yeah, that's a good one. They have a bunch of cars there.
Somebody said they're having one at Spencer High School right now.
Really? Right now?
We're at the football field. That one guy that was doing what you're doing, taking pictures, he said he was leaving here and going over there.
Well, I might have to do that
right
too.
there. Ask him about it.
Yeah.
The guy in the red shirt.
I'll just drive.
Hey,
I'll just drive on
here.
over there. He didn't hear you.
Hey, did you say they're having one over at Spencer?
No, that's next Saturday.
Oh, next Saturday?
Oh, next Saturday.
Next Saturday
Okay,
at the
all
high
right,
school.
all right.
So
I'm
that's
glad that I hollered at
And
it.
then
Yeah,
next
really.
Saturday, they also have coffee and cars next Saturday. And then they have another one next
Yeah,
Saturday.
that's at Remington, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yes,
Coffee
sir.
and cars.
Yes, sir.
I ain't never been out there.
You gotta
'cause
go,
it's
man.
There's too many cars
No, just
out
come
there.
early. Just come early.
Where at? By the entrance there? Or?
No, just go to the Remington Park. There's the first, when you get off
Yeah.
Walter King, when you come down the first entrance,
The first
just
first
right
level.
there.
Yeah.
And then they
Okay.
fill that up. Then once they fill that up, then they start doing the overflows.
Okay.
But I
cool.
get there cause I live in Forest Park.
Mm-hmm.
So I just get there around about 6:30, and I just start filming. It's still dark when I'm out there, but I start there about 2 hours. I'm good. But next week I'm gonna go do both. I'm gonna do Remington Park and Spencer High School.
Yeah, that's good. I might do that too.
Yeah, B. Houston told me about because he graduated from Spencer High School.
Yeah, I watched some of his videos.
Yeah, you got some good stuff, man. Because
Yeah.
you get to travel a lot
Yeah,
more.
I was just
last
saying-
year I was out of Spencer.
Yes, sir.
And they were out drag racing on the street
you
and
like it?
everything out there.
I'm going this.
Yeah.
That's next Saturday, man.
Yeah, I'll probably be out there.
Yeah. Where did he go? Is he over there? Where?
I don't know.
You guys take care.
Yeah.
You too, man. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Just like
Yeah. I'm glad I hollered at him.
Steve Houston. What's going on, brother? Look at this engine on this thing, man.
Yeah, it's nice, man.
That is a beauty.
Yep, it is.
Hey, you see this engine, man? Yep. It's a beast.
Eighty-four square body.